Good morning. It's morning somewhere, right? This is Jeff Ski Kinsey. Let me tell you about True Grit Forecasting. It's both a workshop and a workbook. And the very first session is being held next week on April 9th, Tuscarawas County Library, downtown New Philadelphia, Ohio. What if your forecasts were never wrong? That's right. This workshop is based on the book by Don Ake called Stand Your Ground Forecasting. Here's a sample page from the workbook. Insight that you need to ensure that your forecasts are never, ever wrong again. This 90-minute workshop will blow your mind. Remember, prediction is very difficult, especially if it's about the future and you're not using our book, True Grit Forecasting. Join us for the workshop.